Hi there, I'm John Shields from Chesapeake Bites.
And I am Doug Wetzel from Chesapeake Bites.
All right, well, we're here today to celebrate the best of the summer in the Chesapeake.
I can't wait.
Everything is coming together all right here. So hold on to your chairs, your arms of your chairs as we do this. So when I think of the summer around the Chesapeake, I'm always thinking of corn. Let me see your corn.
That corn.
Doug's got corn here on his arm too. We have sweet corn. We have heirloom tomatoes. We have crab meat. What kind of salsa could you make with that? One of the best.
And what summer we complete without some crab meat too?
Exactly. Let's quickly talk about some of what we're looking for in the summer, where we're going for it. So obviously we're looking for some beautiful corn. When you get corn, you don't want to get it and keep it for very long because there's a lot of starch, and as it sits, it starts to get starchier instead of sweeter. So you want to get it really, really fresh.
Makes those kernels like really mushy when you bite on it too, not that like popping fresh kind.
Exactly. So we went to the farmer's market. We went to Joan Norman at One Straw, and we got some beautiful corn from her. So Douglas, when you're thinking about corn, and we're cooking corn, how long do you think we have to cook corn?
Well, it is August, and it's some lovely, lovely little corn. This corn takes no time to cook. You can eat it right off the cob. It is ready to go. And in fact, I'm ready to go as well. Oh my God. Oh, so sweet.
It's sweet.
Oh,
you don't even have to cook it.
Oh.
So, if you're going to use the corn for this, what I would suggest, this is where we're going with it. We want to get kernels of the corn. But you want to kind of cut it on the bias, meaning you don't want to go straight down on it. You're just going in an angle when you're cutting it. So you're not taking a lot of the cob with it. There's more starch in there. So we're looking for these kind of sweet color. So this is a bicolor corn.
Oh yeah.
Which is always really, really nice. So we got that all ready. So let's put that in the fanciest mixing bowl you've ever seen in your life. Ooh. And then, now you could use any kind of vine-ripened tomato from, from around now. But we decided to go with an heirloom variety for today.
A lot more juice in there. It's going to make it a lot more flavorful for the salsa as well.
Okay, so we're going to put all that.
Yes, all those in there.
Right in there.
All right.
Then jump in there.
And the acid from these tomatoes actually can help kind of like cook that corn a little bit more too and soften it up as well. But again, you don't really need to do too much.
I'm going to put a little bit of the salt in while you're doing that.
All right.
So that kind of goes into the juices as well.
All right, what's next? So,
okay, we got...
What else do we get from the farm?
We got some shishito peppers. All right, if you're not familiar with these, they have a little bit of heat, but not too much hot. A little bit more sweet, and we thought that would be nice with this salsa here. You can do all kinds of things with the shishito peppers. You can roast them. One of the things we like to do if we get the real small ones is fry them. Put a little batter, like a tempura batter, fry them, and you just eat them. Oh.
You also like stuff them with like goat cheese really good too. Oh,
yeah,
so
that's
good.
Another thing.
All right, and now?
And then a little bit of red onion.
Now why red onion, what do you say?
Well, generally speaking, when you're going to use onion raw, you want to go for the red onion. If we're going to cook it, we go for the yellow or white onions, right?
Perfect, yes. There's a lot of good sugar in here.
Okay.
All right.
Then we're going to have, we can't have a salsa without a little bit of lime, right?
Of course.
So I'm going to we can put some lime juice in. And as you see, this is very fresh.
All right, one more.
Get another one in there, why not?
A little more acid in there.
Okay. And then we have some cilantro that I love very much. However, there are some people in the Chesapeake region that are genetically predisposed to not liking cilantro.
You know what one of those is?
What?
Debbie W.
Debbie W.
My mother.
And then they say, oh my God, it tastes like soap. It does not. It tastes like cilantro. But if you don't like cilantro, you can get some basil. Basil will go really nicely in there.
All right, and then last but not least, the star of the dish.
The piece de la resistance is the Maryland crab meat. Now, we work with J.M. Clayton down in Cambridge, Maryland. They're the oldest seafood packing plant on the Chesapeake Bay.
Which is from what time I'm there? Since 1890?
Since the beginning of time.
Oh my gosh.
Since the beginning of time. Since Captain John Smith. All right, so we're going to take this beautiful lump crab meat, put that right in and mix it up
Oh yeah.
like so. All right.
All
Douglas, you want to put a little pepper in here.
Perfect.
Just a touch of pepper.
There we go.
Just mix that in here.
All
And then I
right.
think the last thing we need are these
Some chips.
little chip.
I like the scoopable ones too.
Yeah,
More,
scoopable
especially
one.
for this kind of salsa.
No,
I want
one
max.
here. I'll give you one.
All right.
Now, if you were going to put some of these out in advance, you could put another little piece of crab right on the
Feeling
top.
fancy.
If you're feeling real fancy.
Or feeling selfish, keep it all to yourself.
So again, look at all this beautiful produce that we have and the catch of the summer, crab. Put them all together, and I think this is one of the best salsas or little dishes that you can get for just a little bite and a taste of the bay. So get ye to the farmer's market, and you're going to have something
Really good.
really good.
Oh my God.
See you next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,